By 600 BCE, the era of wandering tribes was over. The land was now divided into 16 great kingdoms, the Mahajanapadas. ये कोई मामूली लड़ाई नहीं थी, ये वर्चस्व की जंग थी, जहां सिर्फ एक ही महाशक्ति बच सकती थी. In the heart of the East, one kingdom began to dominate. Its name was Magadha.
In Magadha, King Bimbisara of the Haryanka dynasty was the first true system thinker. He didn't just fight, he expanded through strategic marriage and diplomacy. बिम्बिसारा जानते थे कि दुश्मन को हराने के दो रास्ते होते हैं, या तो दोस्ती या बर्बादी. He built a network of 80,000 villages, creating a tax system that funded the first permanent standing army in India.
But power shifted from father to son in blood. His son Ajatashatru took the throne by force and introduced weapons that terrified the ancient world. चलती हुई तलवारों वाले रथ और पत्थर फेंकने वाली मशीन. अजातशत्रु ने युद्ध का चेहरा हमेशा के लिए बदल दिया. With these inventions, he crushed the powerful Vajji Republic and made Magadha the undisputed center of northern India. Why Magadha? They held the asymmetric advantage. They sat on the richest iron mines in the east. उनके पास लोहा था और उनके पास जंगल के सबसे खतरनाक हथियार थे, युद्ध के हाथी. While others fought with bronze and wood, Magadha fought with steel and brute force. They built Rajgir, a city surrounded by 5 hills, an impenetrable fortress. Later, they moved to Pataliputra, controlling the trade of the entire Ganges. पाटलिपुत्रा सिर्फ एक राजधानी नहीं थी, वो दुनिया का व्यापारिक केंद्र बनने वाला था. Magadha had won the land, but a new revolution was coming. One that didn't use iron or elephants, but ideas. जब तलवारें थक गई, तब ज्ञान की शुरुआत हुई. अगली कहानी एक ऐसे राजकुमार की जिसने सब कुछ त्याग दिया. The age of the Buddha is next.